With respect and unity in our hearts, let us all gather to sing our national song, Vande Mataram. A very pleasant morning to our respected principal, Reverend Father Roshan De Silva, Reverend Father Rafi, respected headmistress, Reverend Sister Jacinta, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we have gathered to commemorate International Self-Care Day, a day that reminds us that our health is our greatest asset and that caring for ourselves is our foremost responsibility. To seek divine blessings and begin this day with gratitude and serenity. Let us now begin the morning assembly.
Prayer is the language of the soul. As the flowers bloom towards the sun, let our hearts bloom towards God. I invite everyone to join us for prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Like the melody of birds at dawn, let our voice rise together in praise of the Almighty. Kindly open page number 31 for the hymn we are gathering.
A single thought can become the seed of thousand actions. I invite Priyansh to present the thought of the day.
Self-care is the cornerstone of a purposeful life. When you nurture yourself, you unlock your fullest potential.
Meaning of the thought is taking care of your physical, mental and emotional well-being is the foundation of a meaningful and fulfilling life. When you care for yourself, A song can touch heart where words cannot. Let us now enjoy a beautiful group song that echoes the message of health, happiness and well-being. Let's welcome our talented singers with a thunderous round of applause.
Self-care means taking care of our physical, mental and emotional well-being. It is not about being selfish. It is about staying healthy so we can give our best in everything we do. As students, self-care includes eating healthy food, getting enough sleep, maintaining good hygiene and managing our time wisely. It also means taking breaks when needed, talking to someone we trust if we feel stressed, and using technology responsibly. Remember, even small healthy habits can make a big difference. When we take care of ourselves, we become happier, healthier and more confident. On this self-care day, let us promise to make a self-care a part of our daily lives and inspire others to do the same. Thank you and have
बस सिमट गया हूँ घर के कोने में कहीं, ढूंढ लेता हूँ खुद को आईने में कभी, मैं ठीक हूँ। है कुछ लोग जो पूछते हैं कैसे हो, जवाब में बस ठीक सा कुछ दे देता हूँ। मिलता हूँ लोगों से तो मुस्कुरा लेता हूँ, लेकिन मैं अक्सर अकेले में रो देता हूँ। मैं ठीक हूँ।
ख्वाहिशों का चेहरा क्यों धुंधला सा लगता है, क्यों अनगिनत ख्वाहिशें हैं। ख्वाहिशों का पहरा क्यों ठहरा सा लगता है, क्यों ये गलत ख्वाहिशें हैं। हर मोड़ पर फिर से मुड़ जाती है, खिलते हुए पल में मुरझाती है। बेशरम फिर भी शर्माती है ख्वाहिशें। जिंदगी को धीरे धीरे दसती है ख्वाहिशें। आंसू को पीते पीते हंसती है ख्वाहिशें। उलझी हुई कश्मकश में उम्र कट जाती है।
अवसाद है तो संवाद से सुलझेगा, करोगे बात तो हर बात का हल निकलेगा। कि लंबी चौड़ी फ्रेंड लिस्ट में कोई तो दोस्त भी होगा जो सुनेगा तुम्हारे हर जज्बात को और उसे गहराई से समझेगा। मन की गांठों को चुप्पी के ताले में न कैद करो, खोलोगे लब तो गांठों की सुलझन का हल भी निकलेगा, तो गांठों की सुलझन का हल भी निकलेगा।
बंदेया रे बंदेया, बंदेया रे बंदेया, राह पे चल बंदेया। बंदेया रे बंदेया, बंदेया रे बंदेया, राह पे चल बंदेया। रुक जा रे बंदेया, ये रात जरा सी है, बात समझ बंदेया, कुछ देर ही बाकी है। रख यकीन आँखों से बादल, आज हट जाएगा। चाँद तेरी आँखों में बंदेया चल के आएगा।
गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को चल रहा है तू, लोहे का चल रहा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, ओ बंदेया हर मैदान फतेह। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह।
100 round of applause for this remarkable performance. May we remember that every child blossoms best in an atmosphere of love, support and confidence.
To enrich our understanding of healthy living, I now invite Master Samar Kaila to share a few simple yet powerful health tips.
Today, I am here to share some practical health tips that can make a positive difference in our daily lives. First, limit screen time. Reduce unnecessary screen use to protect your eyes and improve focus. Second, drink lots of water. Stay hydrated throughout the day to keep your body energized. Third, be positive. Maintain an optimistic attitude to promote better well-being. Fourth, get an adequate sleep. Aim for 10 to 8 hours for quality sleep each night to help your body recover. Fifth, maintain good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly to prevent illness and stay healthy. Sixth, your health is a priority. Take time to relax, express your feelings and seek support whenever needed. Seventh, do regular exercise. Engage in physical activity every day to keep your body fit. Remember, a healthy lifestyle begins with a healthy choices. Thank you.
Teachers and you, my dear students, today we got a wonderful message this morning, especially to take care of oneself, self-care day. We know, I used to say when I came to North India, I used to say we have here 12 months and having 24 weathers here. If you are aware about the weathers, you will take care. You know, if it is cloudy, it's going to rain. signs of the times. Observe and take care of your health for anything and everything. If you run to the doctor, you will lose all your money. But if you take little care, precaution is better than cure. And we know many spices in our country are helping as a medicine. So many things like that. So today, as we are having the self-care day, once again let us get into ourselves, let us be aware about ourselves, let's also observe outside the weathers and the climates, and then take care of each one's health, whether it is spiritual health, mental health, or physical health. So once again, wish you all a very good self-care day. Thank you.
By one nation and one dream. Let us now stand together with pride for our national anthem.